Russia, the largest country in the world, a place full of secrets, scandal, and most interestingly, science. Nearly 100 years ago, this magnanimous country began its interstellar journey. In the 1930s, after capturing a few German scientists, the Soviet Union created the Soviet space program, known today as USSR. After the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991, the Russians took over this program, starting the Russian Space and Aviation Agency, known today as Roscosmos State Corporation, where they began their space travel explorations. Over the years, USSR raced against the US to achieve many of the world's firsts.
We've arrived at the Cosmonautics Museum in Moscow, which opened in 1981 to understand more about the Russian space history.
After a great deal of research, the Soviet Union were able to accomplish many firsts, including the first satellite, Sputnik, the first animal in Earth's orbit, the first man and the first woman in Earth's orbit and space, the first spacewalk, and the first moon impact in 1959.
A few classified documents now reveal that the first animal they launched in Earth's orbit actually died in the atmosphere soon after the rocket was launched. Although the Soviets were able to score these incredible firsts, it didn't come easy when a failed missile killed an estimated 150 civilians in 1960, along with 4 astronauts. These details were hidden from the public and the families affected for decades.
Collaborations between the US and Russia have progressed significantly throughout the years. In the 1970s, spacecraft from both countries met in Earth's orbit where they worked together before continuing on their own missions. To this day, NASA purchases seats on Russian spacecraft where one seat could cost up to $82 million.
The Russian launch site currently sits in Kazakhstan soil, formerly the land of the Soviet Union. However, investments have been made to develop a new launch site on Russian soil.
Russia's current focus in their research and development is in collaboration with the European Space Agency, being the intriguing ExoMars mission, where the first leg successfully launched in 2016. The rover is to follow in 2020.
The space market is getting tougher, with not only government space agencies, but commercial companies now getting involved, such as SpaceX by Elon Musk and Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic. However, Russia has accomplished many things over the last 100 years, and undoubtedly, Roscosmos is at the forefront of the space race.